Boys and girls, this is Mrs. Nolan. So I am going to show you how to find out what books you have checked out. Being that it's almost the end of the school year, we want to make sure we get all of those library books back. So the way you do this is you would go to your PSD key, and right here through Follett Destiny, you would click on that. The magic should happen and take you right into our catalog. But if for some reason that doesn't happen, it'll look like this, okay? And if it doesn't log you right in, you're going to want to log in manually by clicking on login and put in your regular computer login, whichever one is your student number, the one you use to log into any computer. I'm just going to use my Judy Moody login, so it's a student login. Okay, so it will look like this. And right up here, it says My Info. You want to click on that tab. You have to be logged in. Your name will show up over here in the right-hand corner. Click on My Info. And then right here it says Items Out, Library Materials. You can see that I don't have any library materials checked out right now. But if I did, it would list them right under here. Some of you may have notebooks checked out. Some of you may have 1, 2. I even know some students have 4 or 5 because I let people check out extras. So just look for the books listed under where it says items out. Look for those in your house and make sure you bring them with you when you come to pick up your stuff from school. Bring your library books with you and you can turn them in at school. There'll be some teachers to take them from you. So I hope you guys are doing well. I miss seeing you. Bye-bye.